Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming power and isolating the fault. Put both AirPods in the case, charge until the LED shows a solid charge, then test on 2 devices to rule out source problems. Once done, check the iPhone audio balance and accessibility to make sure sound isn't routed only to one side. Make sure you have the right small tools, a dust-free work surface, and an ESD mat. These prerequisites get you safe and ready for hands-on repair. Next, you perform the detailed fixes. First, deep clean the speaker mesh and charging contacts using 90% plus isopropyl, a soft brush, and gentle picks. Debris and corrosion often kill one bud. Once clean, reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds and repair. Test immediately. If the issue persists, open the affected AirPod housing slowly with a spudger, inspect the speaker, battery connection, and ribbon cable, and look for loose solder or disconnected pads. Finally, replace the faulty internal module. Install an OEM-grade speaker or battery, reflow any bad solder joints with a low-temperature iron, and secure flex cables. Once reassembled and sealed with appropriate adhesive, charge and run a full test. Play stereo audio at multiple volumes, test the mic, and check charging behavior. If the bud remains silent after these steps, make sure audio balance is correct one more time. If still failing, escalate to Apple service, because the fault is likely a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.